need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang po-
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need
You know what? Puro away tayo. Haruroki and Hunter Perez. You know, over to me is this life in the Philippines over abandoned and old. Your system about you is compared to me age to the battlefield. It's always problem. All politics is your problem because it's working. Kayo lang naman ang nag-aaway at nagbabangayan dyan. Kami dito, namamatay na sa mga flood, disaster, whatever the wars, all busy, this military over the Pacific Sea. You know what? Ano bang gusto nyo? Kamatayan o mabubuhay tayo on personal for longer stress online? You know, so just the other people is always bullshit or plain in your explanation to coming to election, whatever going right now.